Financial assessment. Review your financial situation thoroughly, gather documents related to income, assets, debts, and expenses. Understanding your financial picture will be crucial during the divorce process. And not only is it crucial, but it's also a part of the disclosure process. So it will be good to get that all in alignment so you're not scrambling trying to dig those up. Simply start gathering credit card statements, bank statements, just get a most recent one, print out your mortgage statement, vehicle registrations, that way you have like your make, model, license plate, and all the information you'll need for the settlement. Just gather all that stuff up. So, again, so you're not scrambling in the middle of a divorce trying to get all this information, because if you end up working with me, I will need you to provide, I don't need the copies. That's just for disclosure between you and your spouse, but I do need the account numbers, license plates of vehicles, make sure you get your pension information, 401k information. We need full names and account numbers to list those on the settlement agreement. And that's whether or not you are keeping 100% of your own pension, 401k, vehicle, et cetera, or dividing it. We still want to include that on the settlement agreement. So it'd be good to get that together. It'll also help you with the settlement terms, because you're going to be able to say, hey, we go X amount we owe on credit cards. Here's what the loan is on the vehicle, and maybe pull a Kelley Blue Book. And this is what the Kelley Blue Book says the value is, if you guys are trying to figure out what would be an equal division of assets and debts. And then you're also going to want to, have maybe your last tax return. You're going to want to maybe last couple of pay stubs, because if you're going to want to have child support or spouse support as part of your settlement, and you don't have an agreed upon amount already in mind, and you want us to run some child support numbers for you, we can do that, but we would need to know what those incomes are so you can provide those to us.